Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome to our daily dose of inspiration, where we spread love, positivity, and happiness. Today, I want to talk to you about the power of kindness. Now, I know you've probably heard this a million times, but it's so important that it bears repeating. Kindness is not just about being nice to other people, it's also about being kind to yourself. When you show kindness towards others, you create a ripple effect that spreads far beyond your own actions. You inspire others to be kind, and they in turn inspire others. It's like a beautiful chain reaction of love and positivity. But here's the thing. Kindness is not just about making other people feel good. It's also about making yourself feel good. When you do something kind for someone else, you release feel-good hormones like dopamine and oxytocin. You feel happier, more fulfilled, and more connected to the world around you. And the best part is, kindness doesn't have to be a big, grand gesture. It can be as simple as holding the door open for someone, smiling at a stranger, or giving a compliment. These small acts of kindness can make a big difference in someone's day, and in turn, in your own. So my challenge for you today is to go out and spread some kindness. Make it a daily practice to do something kind for someone else, and watch as your own happiness and positivity grows. Remember, kindness is contagious, and it starts with you. So let's make the world a better place, one act of kindness at a time. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again tomorrow for another daily dose of inspiration.